Hey guys, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. So today we're going to show you these dishes. Let's get started and show you guys what they look like and how big they are. Hey guys, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. So we are checking out this pack of, I would say, kind of cup plates. So let's get unboxing. So here you go. You get a nice pack. So these are miniature. Now what my wife and I like using these for are for making miniature desserts. They work perfectly for kid size, but also for adult size too. You know, it helps you control. Now I have actually seen people use these for plants and other stuff. You guys can kind of customize them, do it yourself, whatever you want to make. Also good for portioning for salts, sugars, and other stuff like that. The ideas are very endless with these. So yeah, we actually really like them a lot. So guys, when I'm portioning stuff, I like to pour everything in the cups and have everything set, ready to go. That way, when I make a baking or cooking video, I have all these lined up with all the ingredients ready to go. So then for the video, I just dump it, and it makes everything streamlined and quick and easy. These are pretty awesome, guys. I'm telling you, they're great for making jello. They're great for making puddings. They're great for parfaits, for yogurt mixes, for so many different things, guys. Absolutely love them. So guys, again, I also love these for planting small little seeds. So you can use them for sauces, you can do anything. It's so awesome because you get a lot and you can do it yourself. So guys, you get a pack of 24. They are 2 ounces each. They're made of porcelain. They're used with the type of premium lead-free and non-toxic ceramic, which makes it safe. It helps prevent it against chips, nicks, cracks, and scratches. So if you need to know the actual size, it's 2.4 inches wide and 1.3 inches high. They can also be used with jams, custards, puddings, pot pies, dipping sauces, blueberry sauce, French onion soup, ice cream, and other side dishes as well. It is microwavable, safe, dishwasher, freezer, and oven safe. So for the oven, it's safe up to 464 degrees, which is 240 degrees Celsius. So guys, overall, they're very nice. Definitely gonna be good for our Super Bowl party that we're gonna have.